Welcome everybody to this video. I thank you for watching the last video. Okay, so please, as you watch, please just subscribe for more to come, because in the next video I'll be doing introduction, the basic. I was starting from scratch on how you can start coding using your phone or your laptop. You can start coding, designing good things with HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, and even the back end and the front end. So please make sure after watching this video, just subscribe. Okay, today I want to show you my calculator that I did with JavaScript and HTML. I started with CSS. So as you can see, this is my login page for the calculator. There's no backend in this calculator. I just use JavaScript to do this. It's only my email and my password that can open this calculator. So as you can see, this is the current time that I'm taking it. When you see here, this is the time, the current time. This is JavaScript also, and this is welcome to Clem's calculator. This is my email if you want to contact me. So I'm going to put my email, and when I put a wrong email, let me see something. Let me show you something. When I put a wrong email and type in a wrong password, look at what it's going to show me. It's going to say incorrect login details. Okay, but when I insert, let me refresh it again, and insert my email and insert my password. Okay, I've inserted my password, and I log in. Look, it carried me to my calculator. My calculator is both quadratic equation calculator and simultaneous equation calculator. This is quadratic equation calculator. So if you want to solve your quadratic equation, all the quadratic equation that you know, the thing will give you the answer. Then for your simultaneous equation, you will click this place. Once you click it, it will carry here. You know, it's two equations. You input the first, input your A1, your B1, if you know what I'm talking about for the math student, and your answer will come out. So it's both for simultaneous equation and quadratic equation. If you want to, okay, let me go back to the quadratic equation. Okay, let's say you have an equation like x squared. Okay, let me say x squared. You know, a there is 1. This place can only input numbers, not letters. So let me put 1. Then your B is 4, and your C, let me say it is 2. Then you press enter. You see you have your X is usually 2. This is the first, second. Okay, let me reset it again, so that I want to input another number, so that I'll have, let me say here is 4. Then here we have 0, and here we have 1. Then let me enter it again. Okay, you see, because the thing cannot calculate this, it is given nothing. Okay, let's input another one. Let me say 1 and 16. Then 4. Enter. You see, this is X and this is Y. So if you want to calculate anything with your quadratic equation, so you can just drop your comments, tell me the equation that you want to calculate, and I'll calculate it for you and give you. So let me go to the simultaneous equation. I click on this icon. It's going to carry me here. Okay, the first equation 1. Okay, let me say 4 here. Okay, then 2. Then for the equation 2, then your A1 will be 4. Any number here will be 1. Then 8. Then I press enter. You have your x is minus 2 and y is 0. So it gives me the answer already. So this is what I designed. This place is designed using JavaScript. It's JavaScript that is giving the answers, and I use myself to design the styling. Okay, now I'm going to show you my coding. Let me show you my coding. Okay, here are the codes. As you can see, this is my login page. Here is the login page. You input your email, and the bottom, please welcome to my calculator. And this is the main. This part is for the simultaneous equation, so I can style it very well. And here is for the quadratic equation, the HTML code for the quadratic equation. Then this is my JavaScript. So then this is the JavaScript. This function is for the quadratic equation. Here it gets the number and display to the user. This one is for the simultaneous equation. Here is the login. Now the part that is displaying the clock is it, so that the clock can be ticking, and this is the styling, everything here. So if you have any question, you can drop your comments down there. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to start coding. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.